let's try to manage naman yung mga visitors account. So there are two things sa visitors account. We have two functions that we need to make. We have the deactivate rather, and the reactivate functionality. So same process. I think we can just copy this code for the deactivate. So deactivate visitor. Sabihin natin ganon. Check natin if it exists. If not, then babalik lang siya sa visitors list. And then if it is existing, then we can deactivate. Same process. And okay, then after that, it will balik sa list. Wait, that is for the reactivate visitor. Now, for the, reactivate, deactivate. Now, let's try copy this reactivate functionality naman for the visitor. And same process. So, let's copy this one. This and this one. Same lang. All we need to do is to call this one. So, pero hindi pa to gagana kasi I'm not yet retrieving yung mga actual account ng ating visitor. We have 3 accounts for them. So, let's go to the saan na yun? So, this ito. So, let's try to copy some code here. Yung sa list. And let's try to go to the model and copy some code para mapabilis yung process natin. So, get all active visitors. Okay? Active siya. Then, of course, yung role, kahit isa lang naman yung role na i-compare ko, kahit wala na to. So, yung pangalan niya, yung constant should be visitor. Okay? Yan. Get all active visitors, where status, of course, active. Yung role, dapat visitor, coming from the user. Okay? Let's go back to admin portal and replace this one. Then, next is, we're going to copy some code here. This one, I would like to copy this one. And place it here. Okay. So we have this one. Currently logged in now. We don't need this checking. We can display it immediately. Then we don't have an edit. We have deactivate, but not for the user. It will be for the visitor. And account. Are you sure you want to deactivate this account? Yes or no? And just delete this up. Okay? So, hindi ko kailangan ng rule dito. Okay? So, refresh tayo sa active accounts. Yan. So, these are the active account for the visitors. And we have the functionality for the deactivate visitor. Let's try this one. Yan. So, nawala na yung isa. Okay? Kasi na-deactivate na siya. About this one and the last one. Yan. So, let's try to check this one. So, hindi ko pa manipulate yung page niya. So I can call this one and place it here, and then call deactivated visitors. Okay, so go back to the model, and we can just copy this up, and then palitan natin to ng visitors. And of course, yung role will be visitors. Okay? Yan. And copy, go back here. Okay na pala. Then list. And let's go to the activated user list and copy some of the code. And then overwrite this one. So I don't have a role. Yes, name, res. But dito, it should be visitor. And then, are you sure you want to reactivate this account? And I'm going to delete this one. Okay? So, ano po ba yung kulang? So, yung messaging dito, kulang. Same rin dito. Dapat kasi, kasama na yung error message. Kasi if ever magkaroon ng error, yung pag-deactivate or reactivate, it should be displayed in the error message. Yan. Okay, refresh. Yan. These are the deactivated account. Okay? Now, let's try to log in to username. Let me try to reactivate the account of Mon, and let me try to open a different page. Profile management system, and log into my account. Unknown account. Wait. Okay. So I successfully log in using that account. Ngayon, let me try to log out again. And let me try to deactivate this one. So dapat, if I try to log in again, hindi na ako makakapag-log in. Isa pa nga. Hindi na talaga. Ibalik ko lang. Baka nagkamali ako sa password. Let me try again. Okay, so tama naman. So, deactivate ko lang. This is how we can check. This is testing our code kung tama ba. So, yun. So, once the account is already deactivated, we can no longer log into our account. But here's the another cases na that we need to solve. Sabihin natin hindi pa siya na deactivate. Okay? Tapos, ngayon, nakapag-login siya. Successful yung login ko. Okay? And then, the admin decided to deactivate this particular account. So, what do you think will happen to this account? It still continue. Dapat yung nangyayari, it will try to log out automatically, or once mag-refresh, malalag out na siya. So, let's try to fix that one. So, let's try to go to the visitors account. So, dito, if nakalagin ka and not visitor, okay. So, nakalagin ako. currently login ako. But I want to check if active pa ba yung account ko. So, pupunta ako dito sa user model. And let me just copy some code here. O, pwede na lang dito sa baba. Tawagin. Okay. So, gagawa ko sa model ng just a test kung active pa ba yung account. So, is user still active? Active pa ba siya? If active pa siya, paano malalaman kung active? Yung status. So, yung status niya is being active. Pero kung hindi na active, it will become deactivated or other thing na nag-specify that a user is not active anymore. Okay, so I would like to return true if na-exist siya or active pa siya, and false if not. Is user active? Is user still active? So let me try to call this one here. Then try to call the ID. So is still active. Or pwede namang i-direct na lang natin dito. Yan. So I'm just trying to check. Active pa ba yung user? If active, okay. Pero if not active, then I would like to redirect to the account logout. So ano yung account logout? If we're going to check this one, ito yung account logout. It will try to log out the account and back redirect you to the home page. Okay? So yun. Now, if you're trying to refresh this one, dapat malog-out siya. Refresh. Yan. So, makakabalik pa ba siya? Hindi na. Okay? So, that is one of the security feature na pwede nating implement sa ating mga application. So, there are different approach na pwede nating gawin. So, in this particular part, ginawa ko siya sa constructor, or you can make it more cleaner. Comparing this one, parang makalat na yung code ko. Tingnan. But still, it's for the security feature. Okay? So that's how we can manage those things. Okay, so let's go back to the admin part. And what are those things na pwede pa nating ma-manage? So for the part of adding user, we can still add user naman. Okay? Yun na to. For the part of the active users, nakikita na natin yung active. Okay? Then we also yung deactivated users. We also can see yung mga visitors account. We can also reactivate the visitors account. And once it's done, we can also log out. So let's try again to log in using this account. If makakalagin pa ako. Yun. I still log in to my account. Okay?